Okay, Saturday, January 18. Taking a little time off on the videos because really in terms of really dramatic sort of visible day-to-day changes, it's been moving, things have been moving a little more slowly, a little more sort of fine-tuning happening, touching up the ceilings, so it took a few days off, but now we've got a bunch of appliances. They were just delivered today. Actually, there's the refrigerator, there's the dishwasher, which I thought would be installed today, but they said they wouldn't do it while the place is under construction, so we'll hold off until next week. Washer dryer there. There's the vanity. We unboxed that to kind of take a look at it, but sort of covered it back up. Light fixture. There's the countertop in that box. And there's a vanity in that thin box there. We got some tile over here. There's the Carrara white marble tile, and you can see one little bundle of the glass tile that we're using for the tub and shower area. And over here might be a little bit tough to get to, actually. Yeah, but you can barely make out some 12-inch by 24-inch porcelain tile, strand tile that we're going to use for the kitchen and dining room area. And I think we're going to start working on painting and tiling and stuff on Monday. Again, today's the 18th, and we're moving in on the 30th, so going to queue up a little bit of suspense here. You can see how well we cope with all of that, because it's going to be pretty challenging, and I think it's not very realistic to expect that we'll finish all of the painting and tiling by the time we move in. So stay tuned to see how we manage that. So the ceilings throughout are getting pretty close to primed and sanded to the point, being primed and sanded to the point where we can start rolling on the paint for the ceiling. And they've put in the cans for the recessed lighting here. There's some switches that are being installed here and there. And you can see the this archway that was created with the new posts and the beam, supporting beam up there. They're pretty much closed up, and it's looking really nice. The more I look at this whole solution here that we went ahead and went with, the happier I am. I think it looks pretty terrific, pretty dramatic improvement. So we've got our cans in here, 2 cans for the hallway. Ceilings in the bedroom are just about ready. Our contractor said that basically they just need to do a little bit more sanding, and then we'll be ready to go with the paint. Here's the bathroom. Also pretty much primed. The contractors are doing the painting in the bathroom, so they'll do that. I think that should be finished by Monday, and then we'll start laying down the tile, and once we're finished with the tile, that's when all of the fixtures will actually go in. The contractors will come back and finish that. So there we go. We're getting there. It's pretty daunting, the idea that we're going to be picking up and moving in here in less than 2 weeks. But like I said, we'll, well, I hadn't said, but we will work it out. And I'll just throw down the gauntlet here now. As far as, you know, the work that we're doing, the painting and the tiling, we're not experienced with it. We're doing it, of course, to save some money, but we have every intention of getting professional results. It'll take us longer than it would take professionals, but we have studied up and we're going to proceed with great care and caution. And so we'll see if I live up to that proclamation, or Nami and I live up to that proclamation, or if we end up eating crow. If we do, that'll be the least of our worries. Our greater worry will be having to deal with substandard work that we've done, or big mistakes that we somehow have to fix or get help in fixing. So stay tuned. We'll see what happens. Talk to you later.